Steph, I'm videotaping. So I just got my Rebel Rose collection. I don't know if I'll be able to cut this open. Okay, here's the last of. Okay. All right. Let's open. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay. So I'm having a hard time taking this out of the box. But that's my Wet n Wild Rebel Rose. Let me try and get it out. Okay, I finally got it out. Now let's see if I can open it. This is really, it's got pink, you know, holographic on it. Right, is this sealed or something?
Why? What happened? Did it break?
No. No, I just got a.
What happened?
I just gotta open the seal, that's all. There, here it goes. Here it goes. Okay, look at that. Okay, so that's the top. Wow. That's pretty cool. Okay. So in the top, it's got the skincare and the lip scrub. I love Rose, so we got the lip balm, the primer, the multi-use oil, and the toner. Wow. Okay. Alright. So here are the brushes. If you, I don't know. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm in the light. Alright, I got the fan on. The big brush, the little brush, the eyeshadow quad bed of roses. That one looks nice. And that one's pretty nice too. This one's kind of too Christmassy for me. Red and green. There's the cream. The cream transforming foundation. And then these are the two lip products. This is how you call it? The matte liquid and the high shine. And people are complaining that that looks like their Halloween release. It looks like one of their permanent releases, but I guess red for Valentine's Day, I guess. I don't know. These look nice. I'm looking forward to trying these out. Let me see if I can get the other. There you go. That looks nice. And that purple one look nice. It's really dark. Oh, that mauve. Can't wait. Alright, that was the unboxing. And I'll probably do a look with it next week because I have appointments every day this week. Okay. Bye.